Hi, my name is Anne-Marie Koontz, and this is my introductory video for AEP 859. I am a wife and a mother of two. My daughter's a sophomore in college and my son's a sophomore in high school. We live in beautiful Teton Valley, Idaho. We're the west side of the Tetons. We're right on the Idaho-Wyoming border across from Jackson Hole. I teach at Teton Middle School, which is settled at the base of the Grand Teton Mountains. If you're a skier, Grand Targhee is our resort. And our school just finished our winter sports program where we take our kids to do winter sports such as cross-country skiing, downhill snowboarding, and skiing for one afternoon a week for 4 weeks. It's an awesome program. My professional life, in bullet points, is that I taught 4th grade for 7 years, and I'm currently teaching 7th grade literacy, and I'm in my 7th year of teaching this course. And as I was typing that, I thought, man, do I have a 7-year itch? And I guess I'll have to let you know next year. I am the 7th grade team leader. I'm also a member of our school leadership team, and I had the opportunity last year to present at the ASCD conference in Boston. It was amazing. My professional goals for short term are first to hone my own personal professional practice. I believe in always getting better and honing those skills that help our kids have the best educational experience possible. And second, the holy grail for all teachers to find a better home-life balance. My long-term professional goal is to become a school administrator. I've loved my opportunity to take these courses at Fort Hays and the opportunity that it provides me living in a rural community that I can earn my degree from afar. The things I'd like to learn through this course are specifically research-based, specific strategies that can help me with curriculum decisions and evaluation as a school administrator. In order to learn these things, I plan on capitalizing on my present opportunities, such as crowdsourcing from all of you great people in our G+ community. I find that this opportunity to discuss with other future administrators has really helped me a lot in my program. Taking advantage of opportunities to shadow administrators, as well as putting the learning from this course into action. As Van Gogh said, I'm always doing what I cannot do yet in order to learn how to do it, and I look forward to learning with you through this course. Thank you.